Fade in, a sweeping aerial shot of the Egyptian desert, golden sand stretching endlessly beneath a crimson dawn. The wind whispers through the dunes, carrying echoes of an ancient past. For millennia, Egypt has safeguarded secrets beneath its sands, temples, tombs, entire cities lost to time. Each grain a silent witness to a bygone civilization. Join us as we embark on a journey to unveil the lost chambers of ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands resilient against the passing ages, bathed in the soft glow of morning light. The Pyramids of Giza, the last surviving wonder of the ancient world. Beneath these monumental structures, a labyrinth of hidden passages may hold untold mysteries. Could these long-forgotten corridors lead us to new revelations? Archaeologists meticulously examine the pyramid walls, employing cutting-edge scanning technology. Advanced ground-penetrating radar has revealed anomalies beneath the pyramids, hinting at the presence of unexplored chambers. What treasures, what secrets, lie sealed within these ancient voids? Royal tombs? Sacred texts? The search for answers continues. Deep within the Saqqara necropolis, the step pyramid of Djoser looms over an active excavation site, where delicate hieroglyphs are being uncovered. Saqqara, a sprawling burial ground of kings, queens, and high priests. In 2020, a concealed shaft was discovered, leading to untouched coffins sealed for millennia. What can these long-lost burials tell us? 50 pristine sarcophagi, inscribed with hieroglyphs detailing the lives of priests who once served the pharaohs, offer an unprecedented glimpse into the spiritual and daily life of ancient Egypt. A subterranean labyrinth emerges on screen, digitally reconstructed to reveal a vast network of corridors and rooms. Greek historian Herodotus once described a labyrinth so immense, it overshadowed even the pyramids. Believed to lie beneath Hira, could this be a vault of ancient knowledge? If this structure exists, it may hold invaluable records, ancient scrolls, blueprints of lost Egyptian wonders, perhaps even the key to understanding the civilization's greatest secrets. The cliffs of the Valley of the Kings rise imposingly, as archaeologists carefully unearth artifacts from a newly discovered tomb. In 1922, Howard Carter made history with the discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb. But recent excavations suggest more chambers remain undiscovered, perhaps even the elusive final resting place of Queen Nefertiti. Delicate carvings are revealed within a newly unearthed tomb, their meanings yet to be deciphered. Evidence suggests a hidden chamber near Tutankhamun's burial site. If confirmed, this could be the most significant discovery in a century, rewriting history as we know it. The ruins of Tanis rise from the earth, interspersed with CGI reconstructions of its former grandeur, palaces, temples, and bustling streets. Once a thriving capital, Tanis was swallowed by time, buried beneath layers of sand and mud. Known as the Egyptian Atlantis, its treasure-filled tombs have yielded great finds, yet many mysteries endure. We believe more royal tombs remain hidden here, holding the missing fragments of Egypt's dynastic history. As the sun sets over the Nile, casting a golden glow over the ancient landscape, the camera pans across towering ruins, half buried beneath shifting sands. The sands of Egypt are ever shifting, revealing secrets with each passing year. What other wonders lie hidden beneath our feet? Only time will tell. Fade to black, the sound of wind blending into the echoes of history.